In this video, I will show you how to create the perfect lead magnet for social media marketing, complete with a lead capture form and integrated with your favorite autoresponder. Creating the perfect lead magnet is crucial for successful social media marketing. A lead magnet is an irresistible offer given to potential customers in exchange for their contact information, often an email address lead capture, and plays a vital role in building your email list. Think of it as a valuable freebie that addresses a specific problem or need of your target audience. The more attractive and relevant your lead magnet is, the more likely people will give you their information. To design an effective lead magnet, start by understanding your audience deeply. Know what challenges they face and what solutions they are seeking. Your lead magnet could be a free ebook, checklist, webinar, or even exclusive access to content that provides value. Make sure it aligns with your brand message and offers actionable insights or benefits. Keep it simple yet impactful. Once you have created your lead magnet, promote it across various social media platforms where your audience hangs out. Use eye-catching reminder to track the performance of your lead magnets through analytic tools. This will help you see its effectiveness in capturing leads and building your email list over time. By continually refining your approach based on feedback and data, you'll get closer to having the perfect tool for growing your business online. I would show you in detail how to create a perfect lead magnet for social media marketing using my favorite tool, Lead Creator, but you can use any tool you currently have. Here I am on the Lead Creator screen where I will go ahead and create a lead magnet. Give the lead magnet a name. This name can match the listing or it can be any listing of your choosing. This is for your reference only and will not be seen by prospective subscriber for social media marketing. And the category, these categories I previously created. So I can just go ahead and click lead magnet and email list building. And from the resource list, I will use a blog post. In Lead Creator, you'll be presented with a resource list, any of which you can use to build your lead magnet. Just a brief overview of what's on the list. You can have a blank lead magnet. You can use raw chat GPT with your own prompt. You can generate a 5-point listicle, 10-point listicle, 15-point listicle, blog post to ebook, blog post summarizer, YouTube transcript to ebook, the YouTube summarizer. If you already have a script or any YouTube script handy, you can import it into Lead Creator and it would summarize that script using AI. Microcourse Creator with image suggestions, microcourse creator with video suggestions, FAQ maximizer, and an ebook creator. For this demonstration, I will be using the 10-point listicle. I'm going to go ahead and enter a prompt here. The more detailed your prompt, the more comprehensive your output will be. The prompt that I came up with is create a resource list tailored to outline content creators, featuring tools and platforms for design creation, project management, collaboration, and portfolio building. Include a mix of free and paid options, highlighting software for vector design, photo editing, typography, color palette selection, and mockups, and resources for finding inspiration, staying updated on design trends, and showing work online. Organize the list into sections like design tools, inspiration and trends, portfolio building, and client collaboration to provide a comprehensive guide for content creators and at any stage of their career. This is the prompt that I came up with. Go ahead and click create and the Lead Creator engine will go and formulate the 10-point listicle. Does not take long. I'm doing this in real time while the engine is churning away at the prompt that you entered, and it should come up with the 10-point listicle. The more information that you put in the prompt, the more comprehensive the output will be, and the more likely that your readers will want to opt into your lead magnet. Here is the lead magnet that came up as a result of the prompt that I entered. The heading is generated by the AI. The ultimate resource list for online content creators, elevate your craft and showcase talent. This is a nice heading, but I would go ahead and edit its heading to something that would invoke emotion. I came up with this title, highlights a problem. So a problem and then solution. The problem: are you drowning in a sea of information, struggling to find the right tools and resources to elevate your online content? Below you will find the ultimate resource list for online content creators to elevate your craft and showcase your talent. This is a pretty long. We can break this up and style it to something more appropriate that will invoke the emotion. So I change the color to red and go ahead and center it there. And the solution, this is a H1 tag up here. The solution, we will put green and center that also, make it an H2 tag. So this will flow a lot better in stating the problem in red above here, and then following up with the H2 tag with the solution, and then giving the top content beneath that. Every lead magnet lead images to also support the content. The graphic tool that I use is called Napkin, and at the time of this recording, it's freely available at napkin.ai. I copied and pasted my lead magnet content in here, and I need nice graphic under the subheading here for to the pain point. If I highlight the solution, there's a little lightning bolt to the left here over here. Go ahead and click on that, and Napkin use their AI to read the content and come up with a graphic. That's really neat. You have a choice of different styles or different types of graphics. For example, this one looks good. If you select that, you'll have a graphic. Now, to get this graphic into your lead magnet, it's very easy. You can export the graphic. Once you find a graphic that's appropriate to your heading or to your text that you're creating the graphics off of, it's very easy to get it into your lead magnet by going into the upper right hand corner of the graphic, and you see a drop down arrow that says export. Click on export and it will give you a number of choices. I like to use a PNG because PNG allows for a transparent background. However, if you already have a background of white, you can make it light and it would make the background white. As mentioned before, if you wanted a transparent background, you could turn off background because now the background is white, and if you had a dark background and you left this on, it's going to show white on top of the dark in the lead magnet. So for the purposes of this demonstration, I'll just leave this as light and resolution 1x and copy it to the clipboard. Go over to the lead magnet and go to the spot where you want to drop your graphic and Command V or Control V to paste it in. And there's your graphic. It looks a little large right now. If you click on your graphic and grab one of these handles on the side here, you can shrink it to a more manageable spot, and now you have the graphic. So go through and proofread your lead magnet article, make sure it flows nicely, and drop a graphic after every heading, every H2 heading. Let me demonstrate this first H2. Design tools, unleash your creativity. If I go over to the napkin, design tools, unleash your creativity, and highlight all of this stuff, click on the lightning bolt, Napkin comes up with some options here. They're constantly updating their options, and it's free at the moment. I think this is a very good tool. And here we have exploring design tool options, graphic. Click on the drop down on the right side there. If you see, the background is dark, so I'm going to do a PNG in this one and turn off the background. And you see the hedged background, meaning that it's transparent. So if I copy that to the clipboard, come back to the lead creator, I want to drop the graphic right after the heading here, paste it in here, and there it is. It's transparent background. Is a little light. You can always go back into the napkin, and all of these components are editable. You can make it bold. You can change the color. Let's make it red. Then when you go back into the graphic to download it, turn off the background, copy it to the clipboard, go back to lead creator, paste in your graphic over here. Now you have a heading. And of course you can shrink it to fit it. Eliminate the space right there, bring that up, and you have a nice lead magnet. If you do this for every heading within the lead magnet, it will truly be captivating. Go ahead and click on the link below to get access to Lead Creator today. It will be a really powerful addition to your tool arsenal and get you on the way to lead success today.